Myth of left brain and right brain. Human brain's lumpy landscape visibly split into a left side and a right side. That the left side controls the logic and right creativity. But there is no any scientific evidence. Then how can someone separate the task based on sides of brain? It's true that the brain has a right and a left side. Internal organs like hypothalamus, striatum, thalamus, and brainstem appear to be made from continuous tissue, but in fact they are also organized with left and right sides. The left and right sides of a brain do control different body functions. For example, the brain's right side controls the motion of the left arm and leg and vice versa. Then coming to visual system, each eye has a left and right visual field. Left visual fields are sent to the right side of the brain, and similarly, right fields sent to the left side of the brain. So, brain accepts from both sides to make a complete image of what the person sees. In 1800s, two neurologists, Broca and Wernicke, examined patients who had problems communicating due to injuries. The researchers found damage to the patient's left temporal lobes. So, they suggested that language is controlled by left side of the brain. This idea captured all scientists, neurologists, and novelists. The author, Robert Louis Stevenson, introduced the idea of a logical left hemisphere competing with an emotional right hemisphere. But this idea won't be true so long until the doctors examine the patients who were missing a hemisphere or had their two hemispheres separated. They show different behaviors. Later, they found that the function will be monitored by both sides of the brain, but one side is more active for some functions than the other. So, one side of brain may do more work. This varies by system rather than by the person. There isn't evidence suggests that individuals have dominant sides of the brain. Some people may be logical or creativity, but that has nothing to do with the sides of their brain. Then if we differentiate right brain and left brain thinks in picture instead of words. Left brain focuses on actual words, thinking in a verbal way, holding details first and putting them to form a picture. That's why we say right side is creative and left is logical. This video has some information regarding the functions of right and left side of a brain. I told that left side controls the logic and right creativity. You may think that even though I am left-sided, I have more creative skills. Yes, it's possible if you work for that. Because what I told is just a myth unsupported by any scientific evidence. Thanks for watching and support us by subscribing to our channel.